Hello students, this is Mr. Pierce with a tutorial of the description of different microscope parts. You should have acquired a half sheet of paper with all of the parts of the microscope blank. You may need to cut the paper in half. You should have one as well as your partner. So get ready to fill out the different parts of the microscope on your paper. First off, starting at the top of the microscope, we have what we call the eyepiece. This is the part of the microscope that you look into using your eye. It will magnify objects and focus light onto your eye. Most microscopes have a magnification of 10x. Moving down the microscope, we have what we call the body tube. It is a large, long, dark tube that help direct the light from the microscope to the eyepiece to your eye. Next up, we have the revolving nose piece. It is a part of the microscope that does exactly as it says, revolves. Allows you to use the different objective lenses. Speaking of objective lenses, our microscopes in our classroom, we have 3 of them. They are what gather light from the stage and magnify the image to go into the microscope through the body tube to your eye for you to see. Our 3 magnifications are 4x, 10x, and 40x. Some microscopes have 100x magnification. Next up, we have the arm, which provides support for the microscope. When you carry the microscope, you hold it by the arm. Moving on down, that large black square is called the stage. That is what holds the slide you are looking at. On the stage, we have stage clips, which will hold the slide in place. Moving on down, the large knob on the microscope is called the coarse focus knob. To make the image of what you're looking at clearer, in the beginning you use the coarse focus knob. After you have focused the light or the image that you are looking at, then you use the fine focus knob, which is the smaller knob. The coarse focus and fine focus knob on our microscopes look slightly different. Moving down, what the microscope sits on is called the base. Underneath the stage, we have the diaphragm, which allows light in and how much light you want to go through your specimen you are looking at. Under that, we have the light, sometimes called the lamp. Students, these are the parts of the microscope. Make sure you have your image filled out as well. This is Mr. Pierce. That's all I have to say. Goodbye.